What if I told you your hair can store everything you've put into your body? Medications, chemicals, even toxins. And what if there was a way to clean it completely? This is Zydot Ultra Clean, a deep hair cleansing system that claims to remove unwanted buildup from your hair. But does it really work, or is it just hype? Let's break it down. This system comes in 3 steps. A shampoo cleans the surface of your hair. Step 2, the purifier, goes deeper, targeting residues trapped inside the hair shaft. And step 3, the conditioner, helps restore and protect your hair after the deep clean. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the important part most people don't know. This is not an everyday shampoo. It's designed for one-time deep cleaning use and should be used exactly as instructed. Now let's talk about what you should be careful about. Some people may experience dryness, scalp irritation, or sensitivity after use, so always do a patch test first and avoid using it on damaged or sensitive scalp. Also, don't overuse it. Using strong cleansing products too often can damage your hair instead of helping it. And one more thing, no product can guarantee 100% removal of all substances from your hair, so don't rely on unrealistic claims. So what's the truth? Zydot Ultra Clean can help clean and refresh your hair deeply, but it's not magic. Use it smartly and understand what it can and can't do, because real results come from the right expectations. Follow for more real, honest product breakdowns so you don't fall for hype.